Good evening, guys. This is Yashwant Roy once again, back with another video. And today we are going to be covering a topic called Facebook Pixels and what it actually does, what's its importance, and what's its uses and stuff. In my previous video, I guess you would have, seen how we went about creating custom audience, conversion campaigns and what they actually mean. So it's basically a part of, that video that we should have done before, but I rather chose to do it the other way. So Facebook Pixels is nothing but all these ads that we are running, basically are for our website. And we are not worried about the social media marketing or Instagram marketing. So since this is going to be a totally different web marketing that we are going to do, basically we are targeting the customers who have landed on our website. Make sure they either just want to view our products, our courses, whatever we are selling, and also people who have gone ahead and subscribed for our courses, our products, or rather than just calling it conversions, we can call them pure sales. So how does Facebook collect all this data, or how does Facebook merge this data to show the kind of audience that we are creating and stuff? So that's something called Facebook Pixel. So Facebook Pixel, in simpler words, is in simpler terms, if you just have to put it across in a one-liner, it's giving Facebook details regarding who visited our website. So how many pages do we normally work on, when we are running a campaign? Two pages. The first one will be a landing page, a page where the customer either has to fill out a form, where the customer has to go ahead and, inquire about a particular product. And the second one is an important one called a thank you page. So thank you page in simpler terms means uh, people who have already shown interest in your landing page and gone ahead, filled out a form or bought a product and landed on a page where it's called a thank you page. Thank you page is just us confirming a customer's order, or sending a confirmation email to a customer for a course or a product that he bought or opted for today. So today we are, focusing mainly on Facebook Pixel. So Facebook Pixel needs to be integrated on our website. All right. So whichever website we are running the campaign for, the pixel needs to be created for that particular website. How do we go about integrating Facebook Pixel on your website? For that, we need to log into our account, Facebook Ads Manager account. Under that, you go to All Tools, you go to Ads Manager, and under Ads Manager, you have Events Manager. So Events Manager, when you click, you have something called so basically, there are two things here. One is connect data source. So in case you have different businesses, you can actually choose which business you want to get the pixel setup done for. Now here, if you actually see, I already have a pixel that is integrated to my website. So this will not let me create another pixel data source for the web. Now, I can go ahead and create a Facebook pixel for an app. However, I do not have an app as of now, so we will not be able to do this. But I am going to take you through the process. It's basically just a few steps. I will take you through how it's, got to be done. And once you basically do it yourself, you will have a hang of it as to how it's done. So again, following from step number one, we log into Facebook Ads Manager, which is where we are. Under Facebook Ads Manager, we go ahead to all tools. And once we click on Events Manager, that's where the page we will be on. All right. Now, since I already have pixel uploaded. This is what it's named as, which is car parts wizard pixel. All right, now if I have to go ahead and click on connect a new data source, you guys need to focus on something called web. Now, since I've already done it once, I will not be able to create two pixels for the same website. So I'm just going to take you through a walkthrough of how it's done so that you guys can practice it from your end and you'll be able to set it up. I'm taking you, one step at a time so that you guys don't miss out on anything. So once you click on a web, there will be something called connect that will automatically unfreeze, which is this button. And once you click on the page connect, this will take you to a page which is called a pixel name. So when you talk about the pixel name, we go ahead and talk about this name, which is the name of your website for what we are creating the pixel for. So my website's name is Car Part Wizard. So I'm just putting it as Car Part Wizard Pixel. So now we go ahead and put in the website URL. So the website URL is nothing but my website's actual address. So basically, it's recommended you guys go ahead and type the entire website URL, which is https colon two forward slashes and then your website name with the .com, and then you press enter. In this case, we are not going to press enter. Rather, we are going to go ahead and paste it on our Facebook pixel setup. All right. Now, once this pixel is pasted, now once this URL is pasted, we just need to click on something called meta pixel and click on next. So once you click on next, you will also have something called connect data. So once you connect data, all you have to do is just reload the page and it will take you to a page which says uh, basically it would take you to a page which says continue pixel setup. So today we are going to go ahead and see what would be a complicated or a much more detailed way of pasting a pixel URL onto our website. So once you have the pixel created, you will have an option which says continue pixel setup somewhere here on your screen, and you will go ahead and install the code manually. Just for your reference, guys, it's as simple as you copying this ID and pasting it, and the pixel will be set up. However, we are also going to cover the much more complicated version also to get the pixel code manually done. So once you click on install code manually, it would actually give you an option somewhere here which would say copy code. So once you click on copy code, it will take you to another page which says code needs to be pasted on all the pages of your website. All right. So for that, we will quickly go ahead and connect onto our backend of our website. So I have it opened here already. So this, guys, is the backend of our website that you already know. So here we are going to be installing a particular plugin to get the Facebook integration done. So how do we go about creating or adding a new plugin? On the left side, you come underneath, you have something called plugins. You are looking to add a new plugin. So when you add a new plugin, you are going to click on something called all right, so this is basically like your app store for iOS users and your Google Play Store for your phone. So that's how we have a store for all things technical, all things to do with website designing and stuff. So you get all the plugins here. So here, what we are going to do is we are going to search for a particular plugin, which would be called header footer code manager. So if you just press header footer code and press enter, you have multiple options. However, we are going to be looking at this pink colored plugin, which is by 99 robots. So here, if you look at it, there are 4 lakh plus or 400,000 plus active installations. So this is pretty good, guys. And this is a way you actually know how good or how bad a plugin is. So it's always recommended you choose something that's got, more number of active installations. So here, if you were able to install it, you will have to go ahead and also activate it. Now, since we've already activated Facebook Pixel integration on our website, all you guys have to do is just click on install now. And as soon as you install it, immediately activate it. So once you activate that, you go ahead and you know where the plugins are actually added. So every plugin that's added, it will show up on the left side of your page. So we are going to scroll down. So we are going to look at HFCM. So if you look at this on the left side, there's something called HFCM. HFCM is nothing but a short form or an abbreviation for header footer code manager. So here we will click this. So under this, we are going to go to all snippets. So under all snippets, let's wait for this page to get uploaded. All right, so here we already have our code. So we are going to add a new snippet. So when we add a new snippet, it is going to ask you for a snippet name. So here we will put FB pixel code 2. Since we already have one, we are going to go ahead and click number 2. So snippet type will always remain as an HTML. I don't want to get into the details of the CSS and JavaScript, but you just leave it at HTML. Site display. So what this means is, where do you want this pixel to be on your website? So we basically need it all across all pages. So we will leave it as site wide. Site wide means nothing but all across the website. So are we going to exclude any pages? Nothing as of now. We are not going to do anything of that sort. And the location, we are going to use it as a header. All right. Now, device display, we want all devices to be, our ad shown on all devices. So the Facebook pixel needs to be integrated. It could either be chosen for only desktop, only mobile, but today we are going to show on all devices. So here is where you go ahead and paste the code. So this code is nothing but your URL which you created in the beginning, where we go ahead and have the thank you page and the landing page pixel. So I'm sorry, this will actually be the Facebook pixel code. So the one that you copied, on that, which basically, manual copy, you went ahead, copied the code. This is where you will paste that code. So once you paste this code, give me 1 second, we go ahead and press save. Now, since I'm not going to create this, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to leave this as the thing. So I will click this. I go on the bulk actions and I'm going to remove it. So this is only for one. Okay. So we'll leave it as it is. I'll get that done later. So now we come back to our Facebook Ads Manager. So now we go ahead and turn on something called so once you paste that code here, it will take you to another page which says continue. So under continue, you need to always make sure you leave the automatic advanced matching. It always needs to be turned off. All right. The next one would be continue. You press continue. It takes you to the next page, which would be go to pixel overview. So now when you click on that, it will bring you to this page, which is basically where your pixel is integrated. For now, the reason why I didn't create a new pixel is because you guys will not be able to have the pixel activated immediately. It takes a few hours for Facebook to integrate and collate the data all together. So here, once your Facebook pixel is up and running, we use a term called the pixel is firing. So when the pixel is firing, you will have something called let's see. So you will have something called a green, basically a round green light, which shows that your Facebook pixel is activated and integrated onto your website. So using this, guys, is where we would be able to create a custom audience, remarketing audience. And, like I told you guys in my previous video, the importance of Facebook pixel integration to your website helps Facebook simply to track the traffic and also convert them into an audience so that you create a custom audience campaign using Ads Manager. And on my previous video, I've clearly taken you step by step as to how to create multiple custom audiences, also how to create, track custom conversions. And under custom conversions, you also have a way to go ahead and target look-alike audiences. So if you guys have not watched that video, I would rather, prefer you watching that video and then looking at this video so that you guys have a better understanding of how and what the importance of Facebook integration on our website is. So guys, I guess that's pretty much it. We have covered, pretty much everything that we have to on Facebook pixel integration on website, the uses, the benefits, and the purpose of us doing this. So I'll see you guys again in my next video. As and when I learn something new, I will put it up on another video. I would like you guys to again, thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my videos. And if you have anything that you need to ask me, you can always comment on my website, or for people who already know me, I'm just a phone call away. So thank you once again, guys, for your time. And it was nice explaining and taking you through how set up the Facebook pixel integration. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Until then, signing off, yours Yashwant Roy. Thank you, and you have a great day. Bye bye.